Press the bell icon from the YouTube app so that you never miss any of my videos. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and this is Joyeeta. So today in this video, I will take you through my daily morning skincare regime. It doesn't matter what type of skin you have. Either you have dry skin or oily skin or combination skin. You should never skip your basic morning skincare routine. You should follow each and every steps of that basic morning skincare routine. And those steps are: first is cleansing, second is exfoliation, third is toning, and the last and the final step, that is moisturizing. So the first step is cleansing. The key to rejuvenation to your skin is to make sure that you cleanse your face really well. So that after you cleanse your face, when you apply those good products, all the goodness of that product gets sink into your skin and all the product get absorbed into your skin and it can do something good into your skin. So for that, for cleansing purpose, I am using Himalaya Clarina Anti-Acne Face Wash Gel. It's really very good face wash gel which helps to keep my face moisturized. I've been using it since a couple of months now. It's a great moisturizing face wash which prevents my skin from getting too much oily. The next essential step which you should follow after cleansing is to exfoliate your face. There are lots and lots of natural ingredients, natural exfoliators which you can apply to exfoliate your skin, and those natural ingredients are oats, sugar scrub, coffee and sugar scrub, which you can follow. I have already made a video on that. I will give down a link in the description box below so you can check that out. Papaya and sugar and honey scrub. All those scrubs, natural scrubs, are very good for our skin. It will do very good. It will exfoliate your face very nicely. But apart from that, I use BioCare orange scrub with apricot oil. It contains apricot oil. It is very good for our skin. I have been using it since a couple of months now. So it's a great scrub which helps in removing blackheads and makes my skin look healthy and glowing. Next, you need to tone your face. This step is often ignored by the people, but we should never skip this step. It keeps your skin hydrated and also soothes your skin. I use Olaiva toner which I have got from the blush box recently, and it has become my favorite toner now. It helps in balancing the pH level of the skin by instantly freshening up my skin. The last and the final step is to moisturize our face. But here the problem arises. We need to understand the difference between the body lotions and the face creams. All the body lotions cannot be necessarily used onto our face. The face creams are specially made for the facial skin. So here we need to understand the difference between that. And for moisturizing purpose, I use Nature's Co Saffron Radiance face cream. It's really very nice face creams. So what I do is I take some on my fingertips and massage it in the upward circular motion. We need to apply it in the upward circular motions. It is very important. It helps my skin to get moisturized and keeps my skin soft and supple. So these are the 4 basic steps which I regularly follow in my daily morning skincare routine. It doesn't matter that you have to use the luxury or premium quality product. You can also use the home remedies. I have already made a natural cleanser or toner or scrub or moisturizer. I have already made a DIY videos on that too. You can follow that. The links I'll be giving in the description box below. You can check this video itself. Those products are also very beneficial for our skin. It doesn't contain any chemical like things. It will also help our skin to get moisturized, hydrated and rejuvenated. So these things I regularly follow, and you should also follow this, and you will see, I guarantee you will see a noticeable difference within a week itself. If you like this video, please give this video a big fat thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, and also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay connected. I regularly update beauty tips and fashion related tips or unboxing video regularly update. So make sure to subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me in all my social media networks. Link I have given in the description box below. You can also join my personal Facebook group. I have given the link in the description box below. You can share your beauty tips or home remedies there itself. You can also share with me. It will help me as well. So yeah, with this I end my video. This is Joyeeta signing off now. Bye bye.